Okay. Just hit up the post office because we've got mail. Alright, so here's our package. Alright, there's our release. Invoice and directions. But we're going to see how it fires out of the box. Nice thing here is it actually comes with all 3 size hex keys that you need to adjust this release. A .035, a .050, and a 3/32 for your locking screws and your 2 moon adjustments. Nice feel. We're going to take it out and see where she fires hot out of the box, and we'll go from there. Stick around. Alright, so we got our 2 Smooth unboxed. I did put some Boodad's grip tape inside the wells, the finger wells, and the little 3rd finger hanger. And I did wrap it around to the back just for some extra grip. You can see there, just the width of the inside of the well so it doesn't hang over. We do have our hex key wrenches if we need to make any adjustments. I'm going to see how the release fires out of the box. One thing I would highly recommend people use, and they have the Right trainer out there, the Right Way trainer, which is essentially a wooden handle that is adjustable. This one's not adjustable. This is one that I made quite a few years back actually, that I've always used for training. It's just a bow grip handle, some paracord with a D-loop tied to the end, and just to see where your release is at. I shoot a bow with an 80-pound draw weight, so the last thing I want to do is hook this on my D-loop and start shooting and have this release misfire. That felt a little cold, but I'll try another one. And it's not too bad. Made a little adjustment to my sight, a little adjustment in my anchor point. Three in the top, 3 in the bottom. I'll take that. That is my show and tell of the 2 Smooth. I'm going to work on some mechanics with this release, but so far very happy with the feel of it. Alright, so that's my quick little show and tell of the new Nock On Archery's Too Smooth. Very smooth, I like it, it feels good in the hands. I did order an Oki barrel, brass Oki barrel from ex-Oki Custom Knobs, Bernie Broyles. So I'm excited to get that on here, give me a little more weight to it, which is what I like to have a little weight in my hand. It's a very light release, but it is nice. That is the Nock On Too Smooth. If you're looking for a full review on the use, the mechanics of this release, the adjustability of the release, head on over to John Dudley's Nock On Archery YouTube channel. There's some great videos on there on how to adjust the release along with the instructions that come with it. I'm not going to get into that because this is just my little show and tell. So you guys have a blessed week. Rock on.